The joystick controller is an important element of your Genie aerial lift equipment, allowing it to move backward, forward, as well as steers the wheels. Accordingly, upgrading or replacing a damaged joystick controller is necessary to keep your crew safe and Genie machines functioning properly. CGEC offers a sizable selection of controllers and joysticks for all brands, including Genie, such as 101005, 101174, 137634, 20424, 78903, and so on.